Some people enhance your life while others hinder it. If you want to enjoy a blissful, stress-free life, you should avoid certain types of people. Emotional drains. The hit show What We Do in the Shadows popularized the idea of an energy vampire. These folks have a way of sapping away all your energy, leaving you a worn-out husk of yourself. No accountability. Some folks think they can do no wrong. They constantly blame others for their mistakes and failures and refuse to believe they're responsible, so they never have to change. If you keep them in your life, you can rest assured their finger will one day find you. Angry at the world. Who has time to be mad all the time? Avoid people who are constantly angry about some perceived grievance or another. They just want to be mad. Big talk. People who talk a big game rarely back it up. They skate by on their words, hoping people will ignore their actions. Gossips. If they are talking about someone else to you, they'll talk about you to someone else. Keep gossip at a distance and never tell them anything you don't want everyone to know. Misery loves company. People with fixed mindsets can't fathom that others can achieve greatness. They're miserable in their lives and will find any reason to bring others down to their level. These folks will nitpick any goal you have, making you doubt yourself. Schrodinger's jerk. Schrodinger's jerk is just plain mean, but they'll try to hide their evil ways under a shiny veneer of, "I was just joking." They're mean until someone calls out their atrocious behavior, but it was just a joke. Users. Some folks will only be your friend because they think they can get something from you. They view every relationship as transactional and will always make great efforts to get the better end of the deal. And when you need support in return, they're nowhere to be found. A bad feeling. Sometimes you get a bad feeling about a person. You can't explain why, but something about them sheaves you out. Trust your instincts. Something deep and primal is telling you this person is no good. Believe it. Constant victims. Everyone has awful experiences now and again. However, when someone constantly draws the short straw, you wonder if it's them. They complain about how everyone and everything is out to get them, and nothing ever works out for them. But when you watch their behavior, you'll likely discover why. Can't handle when it's not about them. If you have to cater to someone's every whim for fear they'll make every event miserable if you don't, why are you even bothering? You don't want to be around someone who can't handle a slight bit of discomfort or doing something they don't want to do that benefits everyone else. All relationships require compromise. If your friend is unwilling, they aren't your friend. Nurture the good friendships you have. Sometimes friendships end because we don't nurture them. Avoid that by doing new and interesting things with your posse. Time flies. Don't waste it on the wrong people. They often say time flies, and that's true. We're often so busy we don't even notice the days and years slip away. Improve your life. If you're not ready for the hard work, take smaller steps that will help you improve your life starting today. Be true to yourself. To live a happy, healthy life, you must be true to yourself. It can be hard to be ourselves when society wants to force us to be something we're not. The life you want is within reach. Navigating relationships can be complex, and sometimes it's challenging to decipher the true intentions of your partner. If you suspect you're more of a convenience than a choice, it's crucial to recognize the signs. Here's a comprehensive guide to understanding whether your partner is genuinely invested in the relationship or merely settling for you. Diminished enthusiasm for future plans. When every mention of future plans is met with evasion or indifference, it's a sign of concern. A partner who's settling may show little excitement for joint endeavors or long-term commitments, signaling a lack of vision for a shared future. Consistent lack of effort. A relationship is a two-way street that demands effort from both parties. If your partner consistently puts in minimal effort, forgetting important dates, or neglecting your emotional needs, it might indicate that their investment in the relationship is superficial. Distant body language. Body language can reveal truths that words conceal. If your partner often maintains physical distance, avoids eye contact, or shows little physical affection, it could be a subconscious manifestation of their lack of commitment and emotional investment in the relationship. Frequent criticism and comparison. Constant criticism or comparisons to others can be a subtle indicator that your partner is settling. If you often feel belittled or measured against an unrealistic standard, it suggests dissatisfaction and a lack of appreciation for your unique qualities. Prioritizing others consistently. While it's healthy to have a life outside the relationship, consistently prioritizing friends or hobbies over spending quality time with you can be a red flag. It might mean that your partner doesn't value the relationship enough to make it a priority in their life. Limited integration into their life. If you find yourself excluded from significant aspects of your partner's life, such as family events or social gatherings, it could imply that they don't see you as an integral part of their world. Full integration is often a sign of a serious, committed relationship. Avoidance of deep conversations. A partner who's settling might dodge deep or meaningful conversations. If discussing feelings, hopes, or fears is off limits, it could mean they're not willing to establish the emotional intimacy that's essential in a strong relationship. Lack of mutual support. Supporting each other through life's ups and downs is pivotal. If your partner is often absent during challenging times or uninterested in your successes, it may indicate a lack of emotional investment and support. Ambivalence during conflicts. Conflicts, when handled constructively, can strengthen a relationship. However, if your partner shows ambivalence or a lack of interest in resolving conflicts, it might suggest they're not committed to the relationship's growth and longevity. Rare displays of affection. Affection is a cornerstone of a loving relationship. Infrequent displays of affection, both in private and public, could be a sign that your partner doesn't feel strongly enough to express their love openly and regularly. Minimal communication. Communication is the lifeline of any relationship. If conversations with your partner are sparse or superficial, lacking in depth and frequency, it's a concerning sign that they might not be as invested in the relationship as you are. Reluctance to compromise. Compromise is essential in any partnership. A reluctance to find middle ground or accommodate your needs could be an indication that your partner doesn't value the relationship enough to make concessions. Indifference to your feelings. A partner who often disregards your feelings or is indifferent to your emotional well-being is likely not fully committed to the relationship. Empathy and understanding are crucial for a deep, meaningful connection. Lack of jealousy or protectiveness. While excessive jealousy is unhealthy, a complete lack of it can be equally concerning. If your partner is indifferent to your interactions with others or potential threats to the relationship, it might mean they're not truly concerned about losing you. Your gut feeling says so. Often, our intuition is the most reliable indicator. If you consistently feel like you're an option rather than a priority, it's important to trust your instincts. Your feelings might be picking up on subtle cues of your partner's lack of commitment. Thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate your continued support and look forward to serving you with more exciting videos in the future. We hope it has been helpful in understanding the world of passive income. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and comment below and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video from Passive Income Journey 777.